If you own an auto repair shop and you're still handling your own books or working with an accountant who doesn't really understand how repair shops operate, this video is for you. Because not all accounting firms are built for auto repair, and choosing the wrong one can quietly cost you a lot of money. Before we start, we're CSI Accounting and Payroll, and yes, we work with auto repair shops nationwide, but we're also not the right fit for everyone. So instead of dodging that question, we're going to answer it honestly. Today, we're walking through some of the best accounting services for auto repair shops in the US, what they're known for, and how to think about choosing the right fit for your shop. Auto repair accounting isn't generic small business accounting. You're dealing with parts margins and labor margins, inventory, technician pay structures, sales tax rules, and cash flow that can swing week to week. If your accountant doesn't understand those mechanics, your numbers might technically be correct, but still not very useful for making decisions. That's why specializing or at least real understanding within the industry matters more than most shop owners realize. Let's start with Paar, Melis and Associates. Paar, Melis is well known in the auto repair world because they only work with auto repair shops. That's their entire focus. What shop owners usually appreciate about Paar, Melis is how structured and performance-driven their approach is. At higher service levels, they're not just preparing reports and sending them over. They're actually tackling cash flow, reviewing performance regularly, and helping owners think through pricing, profitability, and long-term strategy. Their top-tier services typically include monthly financial reports, benchmarking against other shops, mid-year tax estimates, and regular check-in calls. They also offer fractional CFO-style support, which means deeper involvement in budgeting, forecasting, and growth planning. They're often a strong fit for shops that want very frequent oversight, clear scorecards, and a more formal, metrics-driven approach. Now, not every shop wants that level of intensity or structure. Some owners want strong monthly numbers and proactive tax planning without weekly calls or heavy performance dashboards. That brings us to our next firm, Kaizen CPAs and Advisors, a long-standing firm with deep small business experience and a clear niche in auto repair, even though they don't serve repair shops exclusively. Where Kaizen tends to stand out is on the tax strategy and advisory side, paired with consistent monthly accounting. Their higher tier services usually include year-round tax planning, business advisory support, and both business and personal tax preparation. From an accounting standpoint, they handle monthly financial statements, reconciliations, custom reporting, and things like sales tax and multi-state compliance when needed. Kaizen is often a good option for shop owners who want a balanced approach, solid accounting fundamentals, and a firm that's thinking ahead on taxes, not just reacting at year-end. Some shop owners, though, don't necessarily want a firm that's tightly focused on one industry. They want flexibility, especially if they own multiple businesses or plan to grow beyond a traditional single location shop. Straight Talk CPAs works with a broader range of businesses, including trades and service-based companies, which is where auto repair tends to fit in for them. They offer accounting, bookkeeping, tax planning, tax preparation, and CFO services with a structure that can scale as a business grows. While they don't specialize exclusively in auto repair, they do work with operationally similar businesses that deal with labor, materials, and job-based workflows. They're often considered by shop owners who want flexibility, especially if they expect their business structure to evolve over time. So, those are a few solid options shop owners commonly compare. Now, let's talk about where we fit into this landscape, so you can decide whether or not it makes sense to include us in your research. CSI Accounting and Payroll was originally founded as an automotive repair accounting firm back in 1966, and that history still shapes how we work with shops today. Unlike firms that split their focus between individual tax returns, large corporations, and small businesses, we work exclusively with small business owners. That keeps the focus on monthly numbers, cash flow, and decision-making, not just compliance. Most auto repair shops work with us for monthly financial statements, bank reconciliations, and year-round tax planning, along with business and owner tax filings. But a big part of the relationship is ongoing support. Shop owners can ask questions as things come up, whether that's pricing, payroll changes, equipment purchases, or planning for growth. We also publish a lot of free resources specifically for auto repair shops, including matrix pricing templates for parts and labor, which many owners use before they ever become a client. CSI tends to be a strong fit for shops that want clear monthly numbers, proactive guidance, and a long-term relationship without feeling like they're a small fish at a big firm. Instead of asking, who's the best accounting firm, a better question is, what type of firm fits my shop right now? Do they actually understand how auto shops make money? Are they proactive, or do you only hear from them at tax time? Do your monthly reports help you make decisions or just satisfy compliance? And do they explain things in a way that makes sense to you? If you're still trying to figure out what the best accounting solution is for your shop, here are a few good next steps. First, take our ideal accounting solution quiz. If it makes sense for you to meet with a monthly firm, I would then recommend that you take our pricing calculator. This will give you an idea of how we stack up. If that all sounds great, we would love to hear from you, and we encourage you to fill out our consultation page. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more auto repair content.